What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Shop My Wishlist series of Myntra End of the Recent Sale. If you guys don't know what exactly the Shop My Wishlist series, in this wishlist, I'm gonna quickly run through a few of my favorites along with the brand as well as the product suggestions which you need to go for during the sale time. I'm not going to discuss each and every product which are my favorites because it will take too much of time, but I will discuss overall in general in this video. If you are a Myntra Insider Elite or Icon member, you will be able to shop from 18th of December, and I highly recommend you guys to do that in case if you are a Myntra Insider. Let's start with the chunky sneakers and multicolored sneakers, which are generally one of my favorite and which generally I target during the sale times. Oftentimes the most comfortable and trending sneakers when it comes to the premium brands, they are gonna be expensive, so you have to target during the sale times. And the brand I would recommend this time other than the Puma Running System X would be Skechers. Skechers has been killing it recently in terms of the chunky sneakers and the color combinations they are going for. I already have Skechers Airy Stamina, which you guys have asked me a lot in the Instagram, and those are available on Myntra. If you get them on sale, you can target during this time. And the other sneaker which I recommend from Skechers would be Skechers D-Lite. This is one of the trending sneakers. If you want to be in the style game, this is the sneaker you need to target for. And as always, I'm a big fan of Puma Running System X. They have the different categories or different versions when it comes to the running system sneakers. Feel free to check them out, and also Adidas Originals. And always make sure that don't cheap out on the sneakers, guys. In case if you want to buy a white sneakers on budget, make sure that you go for the H&M sneakers when it comes to the plain white sneakers, and also the sneakers from Puma generally which are priced at 3,500 rupees. During this time you may get it as low as 1400 to 1500. I will make sure that I will link whatever I'm talking in this video. A big trend which is going on when it comes to the shoes are the chunky shoes, not chunky sneakers. Chunky shoes, they look like a formal shoes but comes with a track sole, a much more chunky sole. This gives the semi-casual vibe by being it on a semi-formal side. So you can trust it both ways if you have these kind of ones. H&M have that listed in Myntra. It is priced at 3,000 rupees. If it is discounted, if I am you, I would go for that option as my second shoe from this sale. Let's move into the next category, which are the denims. Denims means denim jackets as well as the jeans. This is one more category which you should not cheap out and always should go for high quality products, because they are going to last you for a long time when compared to the other categories which we are gonna discuss in this video, such as shirts or t-shirts. And that too, you will get the most use case out of it. If you want premium brands, there are brands such as Jack & Jones, United Colors of Benetton and Levi's when it comes to the jeans, where you can get it as low as 1500 to 2000 rupees after discounts. I highly recommend you guys to go for these solid colors rather than going for washed aspect in case if it is your first, second or third jeans. Having said that, in case if you want to go for a budget options when it comes to the jeans, there are few brands: Highlander, Roadster, Here and Now, Must and Harbor, HRX, and partly to Wrong as well. Wrong, it's a little bit expensive when compared to these brands, but these are the optimum quality offerings when it comes to the denims at a much lower price points when compared to the premium brands. It's up to you guys. Coming to the category number 3, winter wear. This is one of the category which I don't recommend you guys to shop a lot right now. If it is 1 or 1.5 months back, my suggestion would have been different. But right now at this moment, the sale will end on 24th, and considering that the products will be shipped to you somewhere around 28th or Jan 1st, until and unless if you are living in a colder areas, I don't recommend you guys to shop more of winter wear right now, because once the product has been arrived and if there are any hiccups in terms of the size, it will get exchanged, and all this process is gonna take at least till first week or second week of January, and in most of the places the winter is gonna end by end of January. So I don't recommend to go for winter wear until and unless if you want to build your wardrobe when it comes to the winter wear, which I think you can do during the off-season sales as well. But right now I suggest you guys to avoid in case if you're not living in colder areas. Moving on to the next category, number 4. These are the bottom wear. I'm gonna include the trousers or chinos in this along with the sweatpants, because as we guys are staying mostly at home these days, these are the essential guys. So we have to make sure that we have some few quality options. If you want to marry both quality as well as the price, I would go for HRX or Jack and Jones in this category because those both are super comfortable, and after discount you can buy them at a price point of 800 to 1000 rupees. Also Must & Harbor and a brand called Ether, they also have good track pants. If you want a knit kind of a textured track pants, I think Ether is one of the brand which offers. Right now they are out of stock, I checked before shooting this video, but they may stock it up. Overall, there are few of the other brands which are my favorites as well. I will leave the links in the description below as mentioned earlier. A spoiler alert guys, I have been testing or I have been reviewing bottom wear for future videos. I have ordered few of them. I have with me right now. So surprisingly, Must & Harbor have one of the best chinos, or in specific best drawstring chinos I can say, because I highly rate drawstring pants guys. These are the future. This is where the men's fashion is going on. So you have to make sure that you have at least one or two of them, and particularly the pleated chinos, which you can use it as a normal semi-casual to casual options, or in some case semi-formal, which I don't recommend you guys to do that if you want, but still you have the option of doing it. These are one of the great options along with the Highlander at a price points of 600 to 1000 rupees, which is actually a very good price points to invest in chinos. Also they offer good quality as well. But in case if you have the budget to go for, I would highly recommend to go to my all-time favorites, Jack and Jones. They have a slimmer cut to it, unlike the Must & Harbor ones which have a regular kind of a fit to it. They come in different colorways. Few of my favorites are burgundy as well as olive and tan, not exactly tan, beige brown. Moving on to the next category, shirts. This is one of the category which you need to be very precise about when ordering shirts, because trousers or jeans, you're gonna use it for a long time if you go for versatile pieces. But when it comes to the shirts, most of the people by this time they might be having neutral colors when it comes to the shirts. Make sure that you go for the plain colors if you get them on a good bargain. But in case if you already have them, rather than investing again in the flannel shirts, checker shirts again and again, there are few color block shirts. Yes, this is the trend which has been picked in 2019, 2020, but it's going strong. So the color blocking trend is something which you need to focus on during this Myntra end of the season sale. And I have few of the budget oriented options for you. I will leave the links in the description below. This is from a brand called Invictus. There will be a haul coming on color blocked clothing very soon. Moving on to the next category, t-shirts. T-shirts is something which you need to focus exactly based on my previous recommendation on the shirts. If you have all the neutral colors available with you, high quality neutral colors by the way, when it comes to the t-shirts, not necessarily that you have to go for super expensive brands, but make sure that you have a good quality ones. In case if you need a t-shirt which fits you well and also costs you very less, Roadster crewneck t-shirts, they are priced at 400 rupees and they are pretty much available most of the times for 150 to 200 rupees. These are the best bang for your buck, but please don't buy white color t-shirt from Roadster because it's not a white color, it's an off-white color. So don't buy that. Other than that, you can go for any of the colors from Roadster. They are not gonna last you long, but they are super affordable, so that in case the longevity is a problem, you can replace them whenever you want to. If you ask me, I'm not a big fan of printed shirts, but I do have few of the printed ones and also the branded ones. Like I find pretty cool having Jack and Jones or few of the brands logos or the brand name written on my t-shirts. I like them, but I'm not gonna recommend them because they are not super versatile. Highlander offers one of the best fitting, more than par quality when it comes to the Henley t-shirts, and there is a space gray color Henley t-shirt which is my absolute favorite. Moving on to the last category, accessories. Myntra do not have great options when it comes to the men's jewelry at this point of shooting this video. They are not of good quality guys. In case if anything is listed at 300 to 400 also, please do not opt, because maybe within 2 or 3 months you have to replace them. So it's a wise decision not to invest on men's jewelry. However, when it comes to the watches, during this time Myntra generally offers 30% to 40% on the new arrivals most of the times, not exactly every time. So in case if you are opting for budget options such as Casio Vintage series or maybe Roadster watches or Daniel Klein watches, which are generally only discounted for 50 to 60%, but during this time they are gonna hype it up to 70%. So this is the proper time to get any watches at a price point of 1000 to 1500 rupees. There will be a Zara Shop My Wishlist coming very soon, and also few of the tips and tricks videos like how to shop during the sale time, specifically Myntra end of the reason sale time. There are few videos coming up. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did so, you know the drill. Like, comment and share. That's it from me. See you guys next time.